right, you guys, we are at another Walmart, and look what we found. We found the aqua dragons, and this is the hatch and grow pets that really come to life. So we actually showed these before in the video. Again, it's aqua dragons, and I believe when we did the video they were like around $4 or $5, and you guys can see the regular price right here. It says $18.94, but I decided to scan this, and I'm sorry you guys, my husband's phone died. So we can't scan it for you inside the store, but I'm going to show my receipt at the end of this video so you guys can see. But again, the last time we purchased, I think we only found one last time. They were about $4 or $5, and what you do is you add water. Are you serious? You found those at the top? Wow. All right, my husband's finding more. Look at all the ones back here. But what you do is you add the water and eggs. The eggs hatch, and it takes about 48 hours, and you feed and watch them grow. So somebody in the comments of our last video when we did this, they said that they were sea monkeys. So I have no clue, you guys. That's the back, and this thing glows. And I'm going to show you the UPC. So this is the UPC. This is what you guys need to be looking for. And again, they have all of these. This one down here. And then my husband found all these in the cart. And the price is not $18.94. This is serious hidden clearance from Angel on the Go. Again, I'm going to show the receipt at the end of this video because my husband's phone died. But when I scanned it on my phone, they're only coming up $2. $2.
No,
$2.
That means everything's coming.
What does it mean? You gonna take them all?
Of course. Every last one.
Look at that, you guys. Look at this. $2. And the regular price was almost $19. And this will be a great item, you guys, to resell.
I gotta start looking under the stuff.
Yeah, where'd you find them? Up here?
Yeah.
I didn't even see those up there. I was too busy trying to film. So we ended up with these and then these, and right now we're just going to scan the rest of this stuff here to see what we can find. You guys, we're still in Walmart, and look what I found. Aren't these so cute? These are Pomsey Poos, I believe. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. I think this name is Sydney. So this is a purple koala, and I have it around my arm. It's super cute. It doesn't even fall off. We found these. Let me see if I can give you the barcode. Hold on. All right. Hopefully you guys can see the barcode. If you guys can find these, they're either in the clearance aisle or it could be the regular aisle. These are only 25 cents. Super cute. So we're gonna grab a few of these. I've been wearing it the whole time I've been in the store. I love this. 25 cents, and we got all these. We just took the whole display. All of these are only $1, and then they have a bunch down here for only $1. Look at this one. Look, it's the Easter one. Super cute. So if you guys can find these Pomsey Poos, they're only 25 cents, and it says wrapped around your heart, the perfect fashion accessory. So it looked like she has them in her hair, and it says 3+. She has them around her arm, her backpack, and this is series 1. So good luck with your finds. All right, you guys, we found another deal. If you guys are looking for jeans, they are at Walmart. These are the Terra and Sky, and this is a straight jean. They have the straight. They have a bunch of jeans. Look at all these jeans. You guys ready for the boom? Boom. $3. $3. All of these jeans, the regular price was about $19.99, and they're down to $3. If you guys are looking for jeans, you guys have to run to Walmart. This is actually in the front of the store, and they have the dark blue. And let me show you the UPC for the dark blue. There's the UPC, and it looks like they have a bunch of regular and they have plus size. They have the light jeans. There's the UPC for the tummy control light blue jeans. And they have a lot of jeans, you guys. Look at this. So the next time you guys are at Walmart, look out for these $3 jeans. I also found these Time and True. These are the stretch fitted capris, and it looks like the color is coral. Look at that. These are super nice. I don't know who hung these up, but for the price, I wouldn't care. This says high quality. Regular price $12.86 down to $3. And here is the UPC. There you go. And again, Walmart has a ton of clothes on sale, ranging from about $3 to $5. We've seen stuff in here for $1, so run to Walmart. Look at my crazy husband, you guys. I just had to show you this. Look at this. These were all $2, and I think these are the sea monkey things. We still haven't tried it. Look at him. You're gonna make the wrong move and you're gonna drop them.
Imagine that.
Well, I mean, where are you gonna put it? Like, for real?
Man, we got a van.
Hold on. You already dropping them. Look at this.
Boom.
What you gonna do with all these?
I'll make my money back.
Sell.
Some vacation money right there.
Where are we going? Hawaii, you guys. So hopefully after this fourth quarter with the Amazon and eBay and these holiday sales, we could buy some tickets to go see my brother.
We could buy them some tickets, probably.
No, let's buy tickets for Hawaii because my brother lives there, and then we could stay with him for free instead of a hotel. So the number one cost is going to be just the airline tickets.
And that's down right now, so.
Look at that, you guys. This is exactly why we got our new van, just for this. We got stuff back here. We got stuff here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the trunk. All right, I hope nothing falls out the trunk. But this is what our car looks like. And let me go around to the back. Look at this, you guys. I mean, every day it's like this. So I think we're done for today. We have been to a total of how many Walmarts?
I think like 5.
5 Walmarts. And I'm tired. Are you tired?
No, I'm good.
Wait, no, what are you talking about you good? Now we going home, right?
Maybe. Well, do we pass another Walmart?
You guys, he has an issue. And I just want to bring it some attention because I actually tapped this man had a clearance shop, and I created a monster.
Yeah.
He shops too much. Now I'm tired. I'm getting gray hairs for all the Walmarts I'm running to. I mean, it's ridiculous. Look at our car. Look at this.
But at the end of the day, if you put in that work, then you don't have to work. So,
that's true. Sorry, you guys. I'm swatting like this because there's some gnats around. You know, we live in Florida, so there's bugs all over the place.
You guys see a lot of shopping on the show. A lot of shopping. We don't show a lot of the selling, but believe there is a lot of selling going on. And if you want to make that extra money, you got to buy for the holidays. But if you want to make that money back, you get 1 or 2 extra, make your money back.
And you guys, we are going to do more videos on how to sell on Amazon and eBay. I just took off my mask. Oh, I can't breathe. All right, so we're actually going to do a lot more videos in the future. Let us know below what kind of videos you're looking for, but we're going to teach you guys how to sell on eBay, sell on Amazon. We're going to go through all the steps. We're going to teach you how to take the best pictures, how to get the best pictures, how to list, how much to sell for, whether or not to do free shipping or just with shipping.
And when to buy products
Yes.
or when to wait for them.
So stay tuned. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed coming out to all these Walmarts. I'm hoping this is the last one, but probably not because of him.
I can't promise you anything.
And so make sure you guys like, subscribe, and what?
Hit that notification bell and share all these videos.
Boom.